HNHONGXIANG Super Hard Material Company Limited was established in 2004. The factory is located in Henan Province, Zhejiang City, which is also the hometown of the diamond. With over 30 years of experience in the super hard industry, HNHONGXIANG has been providing clients with superior and one-stop diamond powder and diamond tools products. We specialize in producing and developing a variety of diamond products to include synthetic diamond, diamond micron powder, diamond lapping paste, diamond saw blade, diamond drill bit, diamond grinding wheel, diamond polishing pad, PDC cutter, PCD blanks, PCBN insert, etc. Products involved in glass, ceramics, stone, concrete, jewelry, petroleum, wire, cables, semiconductors, electronics, composite materials, and other industries. We control every step of the process, from raw materials to producing finished products, and follow strict standards of the ISO 9001 quality control system. Advanced production machine lines are the guarantee of our production capacity and product accuracy. For example, diamond powder automatic sorting machine, crusher, shaping machine, dryer, CNC machine, wire cutting machine, laser cutting machine, etc. To guarantee consistent quality, product inspection is always done during the production process and before shipment, and we use high-precision testing and inspection equipment to determine particle shape and distribution, impurity detection, product working life, etc. For example, scanning electron microscope, particle size analyzer, image analyzer, EDS, VTL, etc.